Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is Next.js complete tutorial series for absolute beginners as well as experienced developers joining us from previous versions of Next.js. I'm covering Next.js version 15, which means I'm going to cover the latest version, and it has some changes than the previous version, so it's important that you follow end-to-end tutorials. Today is part 6. Today I'm going to show you how to set up nested routes or child routes to a particular main route. Let's get started. Before we get started, please continue to support me and my channel by liking, commenting and sharing these videos with your friends and colleagues. If you like my work, please do consider buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/arctutorials. This is episode number 6. Today we are learning child routes. Important is, if you have missed out episode number 5, make sure that you go through it because that is the basis of this episode. Today we are learning how to set up child routes. You can create any number of multiple nested routes or child routes using the same file based routing approach. The details will be same like how we created the routes. Let me open the notes. Episode number 6, nested routes, or also called child routes. Okay, all right. So the rule remains same. It's also file based routing, which means if we want to create a structure with child routes, we'll have to create the folder structure in the same way. Okay, approach remains the same, file based structure routing. Now, what do I mean by file-based routing? So let's say inside dashboard, I want to have something called, let's say one more route, and I'm going to call it filters, or I can say setting or overview. Okay, and I want to have one more inside dashboard, and we are going to call it detailed details. Okay, so two routes inside it. So what we are trying to do is this: slash dashboard slash overview and slash dashboard slash details. Okay, those are the two routes I'm trying to create. Again, if you see, these are nested or child routes because it is under parent. So inside this main folder I created two more folders, and inside each one of them we'll add a new tsx page.tsx. That means we are creating its own path now. Okay, inside this again export default function, and we'll call it overview, and we'll do a return of the template that we want, say overview page. And inside the details again same thing, export default function, and we'll call it details, and we'll do a return h1, we'll say details page. Save it, run the application by typing npm run dev, and let it build real quick. In the meanwhile, if you're enjoying this series, please do hit that like button for me to keep encouraging me. Alright, so localhost 3000 dashboard, will come to dashboard. If you go to home page, it's in the home page, and now we are saying slash dashboard slash overview. So see, now it comes to overview page. If I do details, it will come to details page. Okay, so this is how you can create any number of child routes, or you can say nested routes given a primary route. Okay, so now you know how to create child routes. You can create any number of child routes inside anything. Okay, so I created two inside dashboard because in overview we will show a quick snapshot details, and in details we will show the detailed view. Okay, this is about child routes. In the next episode we are going to learn very important concept which is called dynamic routes. When you don't know the route, how do you set up a dynamic route so it can read that value and details? That's what I'm going to show you in the next episode. So stay tuned. I hope you're enjoying. I hope you're learning. I hope you're mastering Next.js. If you have any doubts, any questions, queries, let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you. Please do like, share, subscribe. If you like my work and tutorials, please do consider buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/rtutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.